Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G34 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Now let's scroll again and tap on Special App Access and localize Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of the apps, so all we have to do is to tap on the particular app and tap on the switcher. And from now on, this option is active, which means that the app is allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, you may put your data and whole device at risk, so remember about that. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions, just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.